Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn our next hardware part, that is input device of unit 3, input devices. Okay, so what is input devices? An input device is used to enter the data and instructions into the computer. So data or instructions, suppose if you want to give into the computer, then that device is called a input device. There are so many examples are there. Keyboard is the most common input device. Normally computer के अंदर data हम लोग keyboard से देते हैं. So that's why it is known as the common input device. Then other input devices are mouse, joystick, scanner, OCR, MICR, microphone, etc. All these input devices in detail we will learn in today's class. Okay. So first input device is keyboard. No need of much explanation about this keyboard, isn't it? Because in detail we learned in chapter 2. Keyboard is a typewriter like a device which is used to type letters, digits and commands. So basic QWERTY layout of character is maintained to make it easy to use. So keyboard में QWERTY layout है. Why it is known as QWERTY layout? You must be remembering, है ना? QWERTY जो है first characters है. First row का जो characters है. That's why. The additional keys are used to perform special functions such as loading a program, editing text. उसके लिए additional functional keys are there. They are known as function keys and vary in number from one keyboard to another. Then next input device is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device that allows the user to point to a specific position on the screen. Mouse mainly pointing device. Suppose if you want to point to a particular position, then we use mouse. It has a roller on its base. It controls the movement of pointer on the screen. So roller है, जैसे roller move करेंगे, pointer भी accordingly it will move. Nowadays optical mouse भी available है without roller also. When a mouse moves on a flat surface, the cursor on the screen that moves in the direction of mouse movement. Like mouse move करेंगे तो mouse के जो cursor है, screen का cursor भी according to the mouse movement, this cursor will also move. It has 2 or 3 buttons and it may or may not have a wheel. Some mouse there is wheel is there, some mouse there is no wheel. That's why it's known as it's saying that may or may not have wheel. Left button of the mouse is used to execute the operation associated with it. Right button and middle button are associated with the special operations in different situations. So normally we are using left button. It is used to suppose if you want to open or anything, open a file or anything, then we used to use left button. Right button भी use करते हैं for some special functions के लिए. Next output device is joystick. You must have seen that joysticks. Those who are playing video games, they must have seen this joystick. है ना? Joystick is a remote control device for a computer which is merely used for playing video games to indicate position. So video game player playing के लिए use करते हैं. So position indicate करने के लिए joystick use करते हैं. These are relative locators where the direction of push determines the change of position and the amount of deflection determines the change of speed. I think it is clear, no need of much explanation. Our next input device is scanner. Scanner is an input device used to scan documents such as photographs and text. If you want to scan anything and that scanned page which is converted into digital format and it will send it to the computer. So for scanning, we normally use scanner. They convert an image into electronic form by glowing light onto the image and sensing the intensity of reflection at every point of the image. So image में light जाके उसको sense करके उसका digital format जो है computer में बनाते हैं. उसके लिए scanner use करते हैं. Nowadays scanner जो है हर एक mobile में भी scanning facilities there, isn't it? So from that with the mobile also we can do scanning. Next input device is optical character recognition. OCR, optical character recognition. OCR read the text and convert the image into a form that the computer can manipulate. So this scanner is also used to read a text या तो image, उसको स्कैन करके कंप्यूटर में डालने के लिए यूज करते हैं. सेम प्रोसेस, फॉर द सेम प्रोसेस वी कैन यूज OCR also. But what is the difference? This scanned image we cannot manipulate, but this OCR वाला image जो है that we can manipulate. Suppose full magazine work, OCR system is used to take a book or a magazine article and feed it directly into the electronic computer file. पूरे एक magazine उसको स्कैन करके कंप्यूटर में डालना है, फिर उसके बाद उसमें कुछ मॉडिफिकेशंस भी करना है, कुछ कट पेस्ट, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड्स ऐड करना है, डिलीट करना है. सो इन दैट केस वी यूज दिस OCR. क्लियर? OCR यूज करके उसको स्कैन करके कंप्यूटर में डालते हैं, सो दैट वी कैन मैनिपुलेट विद माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड और एक्सेल. बट दिस स्कैन्ड इमेज, स्कैनर यूज करके स्कैन करने वाला वी कैन नॉट मैनिपुलेट. देन नेक्स्ट इनपुट डिवाइस इज मैग्नेटिक इंक कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्निशन. In short, MICR. It is used to check the originality of paper documents. They can identify characters printed with a special ink that contain particles of magnetic material. Normally banking में use करते हैं. This device is particularly used in banking industry. Banking industry में check को check जब when we will submit check, then this MICR is used to read the check. उसका ओरिजिनलिटी चेक करने के लिए. सो स्पेशल मैग्नेटिक इंक कोटेड जो नंबर्स है उसको चेक करके ओरिजिनलिटी, दिस चेक बिलोंग टू विच बैंक एंड ऑल दैट, एंड विच नंबर, from which account to deduct money, all these things, originality we can check with the help of this MICR. The MICR system recognizes only certain character style. The characters have to be accurately formed. You can see this. You can see a sample check leaf, image of a check leaf. See here at the bottom position, you can see some numbers, isn't it? So these numbers are called a MICR code. उस MICR code special magnetic ink से quoted numbers है. इस numbers को read करने के लिए this MICR use करते हैं. इस number में full details are there. Belong to कौन सी बैंक में जमा कर, कौन सी अकाउंट में जाना है, everything full details is there in this MICR code. So this we can read with the help of MICR. Then next input device is optical mark recognition or OMR. It's already familiar to you, isn't it? OMR mainly किस लिए यूज करते? It is used to read OMR sheet. OMR sheet में aptitude test का you used to give that test, aptitude test in OMR sheet. So पेन या पेंसिल यूज करके उसको मार्क करते हैं, सर्कल को मार्क करते हैं, डार्कन करते हैं. So that OMR sheet को रीड करने के लिए it is used to read that OMR sheet. तो उसका कंसर्न नंबर जो है कंप्यूटर में फीड करते हैं. So for reading OMR sheet, OMR machine is using optical mark recognition. Our next input device is barcode reader. So this barcode reader you must have seen in malls, isn't it? So this device is usually used in bookshops, supermarkets, etc. Barcode readers are photoelectric scanners. एक तरह का स्कैनर है वो भी, photoelectric scanners है, that can read the barcode or vertical zebra stripped mark printed on the product. You must have seen that barcode which is printed on each product है ना, लाइन से zebra mark वाला barcode देखे होंगे. So that barcode को read करने के लिए barcode reader use करते हैं. Supermarket use barcode system called the universal product code. Barcode is also known as universal product code. उसको read करने के लिए barcode reader use करते हैं. The barcode reader identifies the product which has a description and the latest price of the product in the computer. The computer automatically tells the point of sales terminal what the price is. So with the help of, when we will read this barcode with the help of this barcode reader, the price of that product automatically it will find out and it will enter into the computer. I think it is clear. Our last input device is mic. So what is mic? A sound input can be sent into the computer through a special input device called a microphone. Suppose if you want to send sound into the computer, digital form में sound send करना है, then we use mouse. A mic converts the sound received into computer format, which is called a digitized sound or a digital audio. A sound card is needed in the computer to use mouse. If you are using mic, then sound card should be there in the computer. Then only you can use mic. So mic किस लिए use करते हैं? It is used to say input sound to the computer in digital form. I think all the input devices it is clear. So learn it. Thank you.